A list input is used when a predetermined set of parameters is known or if limiting available options is required. Configured parameters from parts, assemblies, suppression state, and assembly features are configurable with a list input. This cabinet is available with different options such as width, base type, and handles. Each of the corresponding parts have configurations for each of the design parameters and are used at the assembly level. To create a list input, activate the tab of the assembly to be configured, then open the configuration flyout. Click on the Configure Assembly button or expand the pull-down menu and select List. If configurations were already present, click on Add Configuration Input at the bottom of the configuration flyout or expand the pull-down menu and select List. Additional configurations are created by entering a configuration name inside of the name cell and pressing Enter. To rename a table, click inside the table header and rename. To rename a configuration, click inside the cell and rename accordingly. Selecting the Overflow menu presents options to copy, rename, or delete the table, along with changing the list order in the configuration selector. Adding parameters to individual tables and configuring assembly properties will be covered in the Configuring in an Assembly lesson. After creating a list input, the configuration selector appears in the top left corner of the browser. For this assembly, 3 pull-down menus are present: Width, Handle Style, and Base Style. Each pull-down menu contains the configuration names and controls parameters listed in the corresponding table within the configuration flyout. To activate a specific configuration, select it from the pull-down menus. The assembly updates accordingly. The active configuration is also indicated inside the configuration flyout by a blue highlight.